I can say that this is the best cover for your tablet. You guys can go for it. So it is having the little hole inside this cover which will prevent your tablet from being overheat. This is how it looks on my tablet. This is the first product which I purchased from Amazon. That is a case cover for Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. So I can say that this is the best cover, and here are the reasons. First is that this cover is having hole inside it, which will prevent your tablet from being overheat. And the next feature is that this cover is very strong. It will protect your laptop from being fall and get damaged. And this is how it looks on my tablet. It looks awesome, right? So one more feature of this cover is that you can flip it and keep it in your table like this, and it will help you while you study or watching any movies. It's very useful. So it is the best cover. You guys can go for it. So this is how much it cost me from the Amazon. The second product is the tempered glass. It is the best tempered glass, I can say. It is very thick and smooth and protect your tablet from being fall and get damaged. So this much it cost me from the Amazon. And the last product of this video is the charger adapter. This also I bought from the Amazon, and this much it cost me. So thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such content. Thank you for watching.